In this video, you will learn how to intercept annotated method with the Spring AOP aspect. Okay, first let's create a new package. We will provide a custom annotation for this work. Okay, so let's call this package custom, and that is custom annotation in short. And inside this, let's create a new interface and call it intercepted. Okay, by providing need to have at before the interface, that is, we are using it as the annotation. So first of all, we need to provide the retention policy for this method, that is retention policy dot runtime. Retention policy dot runtime enables the annotation to be intercepted at a runtime, and we also need to provide the at target. For the at target, we will choose the element type dot method, that is it restricts this annotation to only to be used on the method. Okay, we have the intercepted annotation, that is the new annotation that we will use for this work. Then let's go to the user service. You see we have a single method here, and we said that we need to use only on the annotated, that is if we annotate the method with the at intercepted. Okay, so let's provide a two method here for the clarification. Let name this delete user, and we change this to deleting user, and this to deleted successfully. Okay, so that is fine. And let's go to the app. We call the new method user service dot deleted user service dot deleted, that is delete user. We pass the user to the method. Okay, before having our aspect that will intercept this one of this method, let's run this now and see what we have. Okay, you can see we have saving user and deleting user. Okay, that is fine. And first, let's go to the user service. We need to annotate either of this one with the new annotation at intercepted. Let's add it to the delete user. Okay, in the service monitor, we will create a new aspect. Okay, and we will use the at return and after return. So we pass the value. The value here is our, that is point code. Okay, so let me leave the value for now, and I will have the returning, that is return value. Okay, since that we are using the annotation, we will not longer use this. Okay, so let's use the at annotation, and in the parameter we will pass the address to this. We have these coding techniques, that is our interface. So let's go to the service monitor. We need to paste this here and also access the intercepted. Okay, to avoid error in the typing, we just copy it, go back to the service monitor, so paste this here. That is fine. Okay, now we define this. Let's define the method. Okay, so let's have a public void, and I will name this monitor success. That is, if the method runs successfully, we will have object of type return. We will have object with the variable return value. Okay, so and here we will use our logger dot info and have a message here. The method is executed successfully and return. So we will concatenate it with the return value. So okay, that is totally fine. And in the user service, you can see we annotate this, only the delete user. So let's run this application and see. Okay, you can see it only work on the method is executed successfully and return deleted successfully. Okay, now let's change this to that our implementation works successfully. Now let's try to annotate on the safe user and try to run it to see. You can see the difference that we have. The method is executed successfully and return safe successfully. Okay, that is how we use the notation for the intercept method intercepting in the Spring AOP.